Hey y'all, what is poppin'? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kirah. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that red button. We are going to be talking about body care. Summertime is right around the corner. It's 2 seconds away, okay? So I kind of want to share what body care I've been using to help me smell good all day. So if you want to see what I've been using, just keep on watching and let's get into this video. Smelling good is one of my most desired compliments. I feel like when people tell me I smell good, baby, you can't tell me nothing. And I also feel like scents are a memory. So I feel like when a person meets me and they're like, oh my god, you smell so good, I feel like I've left a memory in their brain, and I love that for me. Of course, I want to make sure that y'all are smelling good all summer long. And the body care that I've been using is from Disrupt Beauty, and they are sponsoring this video. But y'all, I've been using this for the last month, and I can just say I've been getting so many compliments, and I've been wearing these scents down. They have body wash, a body lotion, and also hand wash. If you know me, if you aren't new here, you know I love a good scented body wash. I feel like smelling good starts in the shower. It's the foundation of how you're gonna smell throughout the day. And I love fragrance driven body washes because they just give you that aromatic luxury experience, especially in the shower. And I just love that for me. Y'all know I love self-care, especially on my down days when I'm feeling very much melancholy. I love a good body care routine to lift me up, my spirits up, you know, get me in the mood. And first of all, the products that I'm about to talk to y'all about, they're so hard to get. They're always sold out. Girl, I just had to subscribe because baby, I've been using these every single day and I'm already low on my supply. So get into it. What I love about Disrupt Beauty is that you do not have to compromise when it comes to luxury or also quality. You get both. Those who don't know, Disrupt is a premium aromatic body care made for lovers of fine scents. Yeah, girl, that's right, like you and me, period. This stuff is like showering and lathering yourself with your favorite luxury fragrances. Literally, that's how good it is. If you're one of those girls that love my fragrance recommendations, this one's for you. And y'all know I've never steered y'all wrong when it came to fragrance recommendations. Get on it, because this is for you. Trust me, after this video, you'll smell so good you won't even need perfume. And Disrupt Beauty products are vegan, cruelty-free, no GMO, paraben-free, and also plant-derived. I have 2 of their blend collections. One of them is Upper Echelon and the other is Old Money. Y'all, both of these scents are that girl. I'm gonna get into Upper Echelon first because this is a scent that you bring out when you want to be that girl. And I love that both of these scents are unisex. So if you want to take a shower with anyone, they won't be disappointed, if you know what I mean. Love to make it spicy. Upper Echelon is compared to Tom Ford Fabulous, which is one of my favorite scents, and I actually have the candle. It's burning right now. It's so sultry, it's sexy, and this is the scent that I love to wear when I'm about to steal a room, make a statement, and also want to make a first impression. It's a decadent of sage leather and tonka bean scent. The name speaks for itself. Upper Echelon, you're going to be in a lane of your own, baby, and they are going to be asking, what do you have on? The scent is very aromatic. It lingers, it's profound, it's very loud, and it's present. And this is exactly why I say, if you want to make a first impression, this is exactly what you wear. I love that they made a body wash in this because the body wash really sets the foundation of how you're going to smell throughout the day. Like I said, scents really start in the shower. The body wash lathers up so well. It has ingredients that really stood out to me, like vitamin E, coconut oil, jojoba seed oil, and natural cleansers that are excellent for the skin. It leaves my skin feeling so fresh and so clean, and also it's not over drying at all. It hydrates my skin and also makes it smell so good. And I love the packaging of the body wash. I love the amber bottle. This actually reminds me of the Aesop bottle. This is almost gone. This, I don't know if y'all can see, but baby, I cannot wait to get my new order in. And also, these are highly anticipated. So if you are thinking about purchasing, girl, act fast, ASAP, because these sell out so quickly. Like I said, you gotta subscribe, girl, so you'll be able to get on it. Also in the collection is the body lotion. Y'all not ready for this. When I say the duration of this body lotion, baby, like I said, the foundation of how you're gonna be smelling all day, y'all. This lasts so long. This lotion pairs so well with other fragrances. This is just the foundation, okay? it's gonna pair so beautifully with your fragrances, y'all. When I say, when you step in that room, girl, everybody is gonna be stopping you in your tracks, asking you, what do you have on? And this body lotion is so strong. Sometimes I don't even wear fragrance with it, and people have asked me, what do I have on? And I love that you get 10 fluid ounces with this, y'all, for $32. So if you want that Tom Ford smell, girl, without that Tom Ford price, this is exactly what you need in your body care routine. Upper echelon is for the girlies that are just on top, want to steal the room, and you love that sage, that leather, that tonka bean. Girl, you better layer it up with this, and don't ever say I didn't put you on. And get your man on it too, girl. Yes, absolutely. It's so good, so hydrating, and I love the consistency of this body lotion. It's not greasy at all. It's so hydrating. It's light and airy, and it just gives you that nice subtle glow to your skin, girl. I love it so much. It smells so good. And this body lotion is rich in fatty acids from natural sunflower seed oil that's nourishing and restores softness, so we love that. And this is perfect for all skin types. I love that the body lotion is very light, because in the summertime I like my body lotions to be light and airy, because I don't really like that thickness on top of my skin, on top of the heat. I have hyperhidrosis and I sweat a lot, but I just don't like when it feels like I have so much product built up on my skin. And I just love this. Is so light and airy, hydrating, and y'all, the glow. Do you see that? Do you see the glow? Y'all just don't. They did it with this one. And like I said, the scent lasts so long. And I love that the blend collections come with a hand wash, because baby, you cannot enter my house without washing your hands. I'm so sorry. It's too much going on in the world, too much stuff spreading. You have to wash your hands when you come into my house as my guest. I literally come home and wash my hands every single time. This hand wash makes me want to wash my hands. I love that the hand wash has a thick consistency. It's not over drying. It hydrates and it cleanses my hands, and it also leaves my hands lightly scented, which I love. So upper echelon is that, girl. Like I said, it has the same ingredients as the body wash: vitamin E, coconut oil, jojoba seed oil, and also natural cleansers. And I love that the natural cleansers don't over dry my hands, and I hate when my hands are over dried when it comes to hand washes. And also my preference is to have a scented hand wash, because y'all, I'm sorry, some of these bathrooms be having that smell of public bathroom hand washes, and I don't like that scent on me. No thank you. And I love what they did to the packaging as well. I love the black sleek look, and I feel like this is going to complement any room that this sits in, the bathroom, kitchen, wherever you want to place a hand wash, girl, it's going to complement it so easy and well. And moving on to the next blend collection, this is Old Money. Y'all, this is the perfect scent for every single day. I love it. It's light and airy. It's giving Old Money, a girl that's about her money. Okay, and this smells just like Santal 33. So if you're that girl that loves that Santal, that woodsy, that sandalwood and cardamom scent, yeah, she's about gone, because I use her every single day. And like I said before, this is a staple for me to pair with my everyday scents that have amber, cardamom, sandalwood. This just complements those everyday fragrances, which I love. So this was a no-brainer for me to add to my body care routine. And the scent is so mesmerizing. If you love that One Hotel, Le Labo Santal 33, Santal 26, girl, this is the one for you. And again, the body wash leaves my skin so soft, so hydrated, and gives it a nice subtle glow. Like I said, the shower is just the foundation of how you're gonna smell all day. So yes, I use this every single day. And the body wash bottle is 16.9 fluid ounces. You get so much compared to the Le Labo Santal 33 body wash for the fraction of the price. You get 16.9 fluid ounces for $32, and the Le Labo Santal 33 body wash is $60 for 8 ounces. That's crazy. So you could do the math on that, okay? And that's exactly why I subscribe, because I go through this like crazy. Obviously, I wash my body every single day. So make sure you subscribe. It's going to benefit you in the long run, girl, because you're going to be obsessed with this. Like I said, it's highly anticipated and it's hard to get. So make sure you are subscribed. And again, the blend collection comes with a hand wash and also a body lotion. This body lotion is almost gone, y'all. The Old Money body lotion pairs so well with my sandalwood and amber noted fragrances. Like I said, this is just the foundation to smelling good all day. You're gonna be feeling so hydrated and so soft. You know how when you freshly shave and you finally put lotion on, that's how this lotion feels, and I love it so much. So if you've been wanting to upgrade your body care routine without having to compromise, without breaking the bank for luxury and quality, Disrupt is for you. Like I said before, these scents are unisex and they make the perfect gift. So if you know somebody that needs to upgrade their body care routine, and if you want to upgrade them and give them luxury without having to break the bank and compromise quality over luxury, girl, Disrupt Beauty. Put it in the cart. Father's Day is right around the corner, so girl, you better put whoever is in your life on that's a father, because they're gonna be a father after they wear these fragrances around you. So make sure you add Disrupt to your body care routine, and you'll be able to use my code Kirah to get 10% off your order. And like I said before, these products are always sold out, so act fast. They're highly anticipated, y'all. They smell so good. I'm almost empty, so like I said, I've subscribed. You get 15% off every time you purchase. When you get a hold of these products, you're not going to want to use anything else, period. So that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you click the links down below so you'll be able to shop Disrupt Beauty. And don't forget to use my code Kirah to get 10% off on your order. And thank you so much, Disrupt Beauty, for sponsoring this video. I'm ending this off. Make sure y'all are smelling good for this season, because I want y'all to smell good. It's about to be a hot summer. It's gonna be a hot summer, girl, and we outside, period, and we're gonna be smelling good. That's all I gotta say, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.